Okay, when we want to find the function from the given zeros, now we're working backwards. Essentially, we change the sign in front of all these numbers. The denominator goes in front of the x, the numerator goes by itself as a constant. Since 4, negative 1, and 2 are whole numbers, the denominator is 1. So you would write 4 as x minus 4. The negative 3/4 becomes 4x plus 3. We change the sign, the denominator goes in front of x, the numerator is your constant. Negative 1 becomes x plus 1, and 2 becomes x minus 2. So if I were to get the zeros, they'd be these right here. That's why we change the signs. Now we're just multiplying. We're foiling the first two. 4x squared, 3x and negative 16x is negative 13x. Negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. We're foiling the second two. X squared, negative 2x and 1x is negative x minus 2. And now we multiply these two together. 4x to the fourth, minus 4x cubed, minus 8x squared, minus 13x cubed, plus 13x squared, plus 26x. Negative 12x squared, plus 12x, plus 24. And you do need to combine the like terms. The answer is going to be 4x to the fourth minus 17x cubed minus 7x squared is negative 8, and negative 12 is negative 20, and 13 is negative 7. 26 and 12, 38x plus 24. My advice, check one of them. I'll use negative 1 in the box, and I'll do 4, negative 17, negative 7, 38, and 24. If that works to get a zero remainder, I did it right. 4, we had negative 21. 21, I'm at 14. Negative 14, I'm at 24. Negative 24, I'm at 0. So there's a good chance I'm right. Here's my answer. An irrational real number or an imaginary complex number, you have to write the conjugate. So if 1 minus 3i is a root, 1 plus 3i automatically is a root. You have to come up with that one yourself. We set it the same way as the other problem. We change the sign in front of the rational number. X minus 4. This becomes x minus parentheses 1 minus 3i. And x minus parentheses 1 plus 3i. The parentheses are very important. My first step here, we want to work with the back two parentheses first, is to move the parentheses. Parentheses x minus 1 minus 3i, parentheses x minus 1 plus 3i. We're actually creating a difference of 2 squares. X minus 4. We have x minus 1 squared. X minus 1 times x minus 1. Plus 3i times x minus 1 minus 3i times x minus 1. While that looks complicated, it cancels. And then we're left with minus 9i squared. Now we need to FOIL the x minus 1 squared out. X minus 1 squared is x minus 1 times x minus 1. So x minus 4 times x squared minus 2x plus 1 when you FOIL it out. Negative 9, I squared is a negative 1. You should know I squared equals negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 9 is 9. So we're multiplying x minus 4 to x squared minus 2x plus 10. And now we just execute the multiplication. X cubed minus 2x squared plus 10x. Negative 4x squared plus 8x minus 4. I'm going to combine my like terms to get my final answer. X cubed minus 6x squared plus 18x minus 40. And if you want to check your work, 4 should create a 0 here. 1, negative 6, 18, negative 40. Let's see if it does. Drop the 1, we have 4, negative 2, we have a negative 8, we have a 40, and that's 0. So there's a very good chance I'm right.